To talk about our modern industrial strategy, I wanted to come to where the fourth industrial revolution is being shaped by British manufacturers, British scientists and British inventors. Another feature of the industrial strategy is the business environment, especially for small businesses. So it's the case, I assume, that it's not just the big players that can participate here.
Absolutely not. I mean, we're very proud of our large industrial members here at the MTC. They help us define what is the future strategy and the technologies which we need to strive for. But ultimately it's the SMEs and the supply chain that will have to have the responsibility for delivering that technology into the future. So we work really hard with SMEs across the UK to help them adopt the technology which we're developing here. And we have a dedicated team that helps integrate that technology into their day-to-day operations. But it's not just all about the SMEs, it's also about the startup companies that are bringing new products and new processes to market. And for that we have an incubation facility which we've only just recently opened. And that incubation facility really depends on good design and bringing those the price point of their products down so they can enter the market.
So Lucy, you're helping some of these startups as well as small firms challenge the big players. This is something that we've always been an environment that we don't protect the incumbents, we want to see challenge, and so you're helping.
Definitely, because these small companies and these startups, some of them have the great ideas, but how do we get this to market? That's where we come in. So we use our design for manufacture to enable them to come up, to build up their products to that level where they can get it to market quicker. We also help them to come up with prototypes and test it, making available the facilities we've got here and see what can be done so that they're able to compete on a more global scale.
Fantastic. Because one of the problems in the past is that sometimes the small firms, the startups, didn't have access to the facilities, the machinery, or sometimes the design expertise. So it's helping them get over that and helping them compete.
Definitely. That's what our incubation centres are for. So they come here, we use our skills, our people, our facilities to enable them to come up with their first seed product. We test that with the market and then we set them free, as you will, so that they're able to compete more in a global scale.